Hello, this is Dr. Ebru Ünal. I am cosmetic gynecologist working in my cosmetic gynecology clinic here in Maadi, Istanbul. Are you suffering from vaginismus? In this video, I will inform you with a very effective treatment of vaginismus. Vaginismus is a really bad disease. It is a very devastating. It really affects all life of a woman and also man. Because as a woman, when you have a vaginismus, you cannot have sexual intercourse. And also it is known as genitopelvic pain and penetration disorder. So it is a disorder which falls in the female sexual dysfunction. Sexual dysfunction not only affects you, but also it will affect your partner. In the long periods, couples who are married for long periods, by time vaginismus is becoming not only a woman disease but of the couple disease, because man starts problem with erection or ejaculation or not want to have sexual intercourse like woman by time. So to prevent it, please have your treatment as early as you recognize that you have genitopelvic pain and penetration disorder, which is vaginismus. For years, vaginismus was not considered like a serious problem, and there is an article of a woman who complained about not having sexual intercourse, not being able to have the penis in the vagina, cannot even let the entrance of the penis and go to a doctor, gynecologist. At the gynecology examination, she couldn't let the doctor to do the examination properly, and they decided on having the examination under sedation. So she had the sedation and the doctor was able to examine the woman, and he reported to the woman that she doesn't have any problem. So that woman committed a suicide. Now we know that this is a problem that should be treated, and now we have the best treatment option to treat the vaginismus. Only one treatment, one session, and 97% success rate. So how I treat the vaginismus? I do botulinum toxin injection, which is a neuromodulator, which relaxes the muscles around the vagina. So I do this treatment under sedation, which means you will never feel any pain during the procedure. The procedure takes 15 minutes. I do the injection in the muscles around the vagina, which is the deep muscles. They are not superficial. So it cannot be done when you are awake, when you are not having sedation. It will be very difficult for me to inject that area, and for you also. So after the sedation, I inject the botulinum toxin, and then I inject the local anesthesia medication and place the dilator inside the vagina. So you wake up without pain with the dilator inside the vagina. After you come to yourself, after the sedation is resolved, the medication effect is resolved, you will start the exercises, and you will do the dilator exercise right away without any pain, and you will recognize that there is an opening there and it is the muscle that's causing it, and you get over your fears and you will able to clear your mind that it is open and it is painless. The effect of the neuromodulator starts 2 weeks later. So for 2 weeks, I don't want you to do anything, any exercise or any sexual intercourse, but 2 weeks later, when you let your partner to go inside your vagina, not to push him, you will able to have sex without pain. Most women who suffer for long years, like 10 years, 15 years, may not able to let their partner to go inside the vagina in the first attempt. So they need to repeat the attempts frequently, every day, every other day. They need to do the sexual intercourse thrice, and then will educate herself not to push her husband, but let him do his job. Some men, as I told you in the entrance of the video, may develop problem with erection or continuity of the erection, or they may have early ejaculation. So if that kind of problem is happening to your husband, he may get some medication to continue the erection and will able to have sexual intercourse with you. If you are coming from abroad, you may go back to your country the same day after the procedure. The vaginismus treatment with botulinum toxin injection, the whole process takes only 2 hours. So after the procedure, you may go out of our clinic. You will not have any pain, any problem, and you may continue your daily life. If you want, you can enjoy Istanbul and stay in Istanbul a couple of days, but if you would like to go back to your country the same night, you may also travel. As you hear, it is a very simple, easy, quick, effective procedure. If you're planning to over this nightmare, you may get in touch with us. You may send us email or you may WhatsApp us so that we may plan your procedure. Before the procedure, we may have an online consultation and describe you all the details what you will go through. Hope to see you in Istanbul. Come and enjoy Istanbul.